wine. Here's the plan. I'm going to season the chicken. I'm going to season the chicken thighs. I'm going to dip them in flour. Now, a lot of people season the flour too. I'm not going to do that. You know, these are going to be soaking in gravy in the oven. So we're going to season the thighs, dip them in flour, fry them just to toast them. Get the toasty colored caramelization going on. Then we're going to stick them in the gravy. I can't give you any exact measurements because I have never done this before. I don't know how much gravy, how much chicken broth, flour I am. Toasted! Mashed potatoes are made. Green beans are made. All right, where am I? I don't know. Face down. That's one. Ow. Ow. 2, 3, and 4. There you go. "40 minutes at 40 degrees. Let's take a look, huh? What do we have? Oh, gravy is good. Gravy is thick. Thick gravy. This is cooked. Oh, it's cooked. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, let me get the gravy. And it looks delicious. Oh my gosh. Holy goodness gracious. This is my first smothered chicken, man. Oh yeah. Oh, it is cooked. Let's pull it apart. Look at that. Look at that. It's just pulling apart. Mmm. It's delicious. Oh my gosh. Look at that gravy. Look at that gravy. Great fun? That is freaking delicious. Smothered chicken. Who knew? Thanks for watching.